I need to get a second medical opinion outside of Kaiser. Do you know how I can do this?
Why, yes, I do, but it can be a long, drawn-out process.
Why? Surely they are my friends and want to help me.
If you say so. I think it might in part be to discourage you from trying because they will have to pay for it. California Law HSC 1383.15 lays out the procedure.
Well, I still need to find out if Kaiser is wrong or if there is anything else I can do to help myself.
Okay then. First, in writing you have to write to Member Services requesting a second opinion from Kaiser. You should hand deliver it, and make sure that they put a date stamp on the letter so you can prove when they received it. Do not leave until they provide you with a copy of the letter that has the date stamp on it. Mistakes sometimes happen and you may need to prove when you filed your request with them.
Okay, is that all I have to do?
No. There is more. If you are not satisfied with what Kaiser offers to do, go through the process again and request another second opinion. You may have to do this up to 3 times.
Oh my. Is that all?
Sometimes they will allow it after 2 internal second opinions. Kaiser will then be obligated to honor and pay for your request to have a consult with any outside physician of your choice. Always submit these requests in writing and hand deliver them to Member Services. Request a stamp date be placed on it and get a copy of your complaint with the stamp date on it. You may have to pay a copay for the outside of Kaiser's second opinion.
Thank you very much. I will give it a try. Bye now.